Temporary Maharic Seal Bio-Regenesis Technique for building bioenergetic field integrity and accelerating spiritual actualization. Okay, let's begin. First, imagine a two-dimensional image of a Merkaba star in the color of pale silver, as if the image is drawn on a black background on the inside of your forehead. This image represents a composite scalar wave pattern Keylontic symbol code. Its color denotes the frequency spectra of the 11th and 12th dimensions, and its form, combined with these color frequencies, represents the control code of the 12th dimensional frequency band. It is the key code to unlock the 12th dimensional Maharic shield in the personal and planetary scalar grids. Now first we'd like you to inhale while visualizing the Merkaba symbol at the center of your brain in the pineal gland. Exhale while using the exhale breath to firmly move the Merkaba down the central vertical body current. This is the energy current in the center of your body. Then out between the legs and straight down into the earth's core, your 13th chakra. Inhale while imagining that you can see at Earth's core a huge disc-shaped crystalline platform of pale silver light that extends outward on a horizontal plane through the entire body of the Earth and out into the atmosphere. Visualize the Merkaba suspended in the center of the disc. This image represents the planetary Maharic shield, the scalar wave grid composed of dimension 10, 11, and 12 frequencies, with the Merkaba key code positioned to activate the planetary shield. Exhale while pushing your breath outward into the Earth's Maharic shield, imagining as you exhale that the force of the breath has made the Earth's Maharic shield begin to spin. Inhale, using the inhale breath to draw pale silver light from Earth's spinning Maharic shield into the Hierophant or the Merkaba positioned at the center of the planetary shield. Exhale, using the exhale breath to push the pale silver light throughout the entire Merkaba, making the Merkaba glow and pulsate with pale silver light. Inhale. Imagine that the glowing pale silver Merkaba momentarily flashes crimson red and returns to pale silver. Then use the inhale breath to draw the Merkaba vertically up from its position at Earth's core to a position 12 inches or about a foot below your feet, the position of your dormant personal Maharic Shield scalar wave grid. As you inhale the Merkaba upward from Earth's core, imagine that it trails a thick cord of pale silver light behind it. One end of the silver cord remains attached to Earth's core, the other attached to the Hierophant or the Merkaba. The cord represents an energy feed line through which you will draw energy up from the Earth's Maharic Shield into your personal Maharic Shield. Exhale with your attention on the Merkaba positioned a foot below your feet, and use the exhale breath to push a burst of pale silver light outward on a horizontal plane from the Merkaba. Imagine that a disc-shaped crystalline platform of pale silver light, about 4 feet in diameter, extends on a horizontal plane about a foot beneath your feet, around the Merkaba at its center. This image represents your personal Maharic Shield. Inhale while using the inhale breath to draw more pale silver light up through the pale silver cord from Earth's core into the Merkaba at the center of your personal Maharic Shield. Exhale, using the exhale breath to push the pale silver light from the Hierophant or the Merkaba out into your Maharic Shield. Imagine that your Maharic Shield now pulsates as it fills with the pale silver light from Earth's core. Inhale, again drawing more pale silver light up from Earth's core through the pale silver cord into the Merkaba, and imagine the pale silver cord expanding to 4 feet in width, forming a pillar of pale silver light, running up from Earth's core directly into your 4-foot diameter Maharic Shield. Exhale, again using the exhale breath to push pale silver light from the Merkaba outward into your Maharic Shield, while imagining that your Maharic Shield takes on a life of its own, the disc suddenly folding upward with a popping sensation to form a 4-foot diameter pillar of pale silver light all around and running through your body. This is your Maharic Seal, a temporary scalar wave pillar of dimensions 10, 11, 12 frequency light. that blocks out disharmonic frequencies from dimensions 1 through to 12 and begins to realign disharmonic frequencies in your body and biofield to their original perfect natural order. Inhale, imagining that the inhale breath draws the pale silver light from the pillar encasing the body into every body cell. Sense the tingling feeling as the pale silver light moves through the physical body. Exhale, imagining that you can feel the energy of the pale silver light expanding into every crevice of your body and then outward around the body into the biofield. Breathe naturally for a minute or two as the feeling of the pale silver light moves through you, while sensing the energy presence of the Maharic Seal pale silver pillar 4 feet around your body. The more time you spend breathing and sensing the energies, the more dimension 10, 11, 12 frequencies you are drawing into your pillar, which will increase the length of time the Maharic Seal pillar will remain in your biofield. Return your attention to the Merkaba, still positioned 12 inches or a feet below your feet. Inhale, using the inhale breath to draw the Merkaba up through your central vertical body current, then out the top of your head, the 7th crown chakra, to a point about 36 inches above the head, roughly 3 to 4 feet above your head. This is the 14th chakra. Exhale forcefully, using the exhale breath to rapidly expand the Merkaba outward on a horizontal plane at the 14th chakra until the Merkaba suddenly disappears from view with a mild popping sensation. Now breathe normally while visualizing for a moment a brilliant 4-foot pale silver pillar of light extending from the earth's core upward, fully encasing your body and extending far above the head into Earth's atmosphere and to a single star of pale blue light far off in deep space. Your Maharic shield is now temporarily activated, and your Maharic Seal pillar is temporarily manifest within your biofield. The Maharic Seal will remain in your biofield anywhere from 20 minutes to 1 hour. The more you exercise and practice, the longer this pillar will remain. For a quick reinforcement during your day and to reactivate this Maharic seal within your 24-hour spectrum, simply imagine a spark of pale silver light at the pineal gland. Exhale it rapidly down to Earth's core and imagine the Earth's Maharic shield spinning. Call to mind the pale silver cord and inhale the 4-foot diameter cord all the way up around you, forming the pillar, attaching it out into deep space to the star of pale blue light. This quick version will reactivate any time through the day this Maharic seal in your biofield. However, it does require manual resetting every 24 hours with frequent reinforcement with the short technique during the day. As you practice this and become more familiar with this technique, every day it will last longer and longer. Thank you. This Maharic Seal Kathara Biospiritual Healing System is part of Ashayana Dean's work from the Voyagers 1 book. Thank you.